little deeper than we normally do.
Oh, good.
If you don't go morel mushroom hunting in the spring, you're missing out on Missouri's most incredible wild edible. Everyone has ideas on the best way to cook them, but since the seasons coincide, I think one of the best ideas is a meal of wild turkey with a side of morel stuffing. Set bread out overnight to dry, then break it into small pieces. I prefer to use rolls or homemade bread. Sauté onion, celery, and mushrooms in butter. Add sage, then salt and pepper to taste. Add the mix to the bread. Mix cool chicken broth and eggs in another bowl. Pour that over the bread mixture and stir until it becomes soupy in the bottom. Spoon it into a greased casserole dish, cover, and bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Remove the cover for the last 15 minutes so the top becomes crunchy. Wild turkey and morel mushrooms, these two were meant for each other.